there. Stand on the other side. Stand right there. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Who is that? Edward. I think that's Gordon. Who's that? Okay, hold on. Who's this? Mavis, you're right. What else is in the box? Who's that? That's Belle. That's James, you're right. Yeah, we'll open them in just a minute. Let's see what all's in there first. What else is in there? Oh, who's that? Emily. That's right. Yeah, hold on. Who's that? Thomas. Who else is in here? Henry. Yeah, that is Henry. You're right. Who's that? Percy. Right. What else is in there? What's this one? Can you move this? Push it this way. Push it down. And with this one.
What do you think, Leo?
Is that pretty cool? And look, it has tracks. So it goes with your tracks.
Is there anything else in the box?
What else is in it? Handle right here. It's a book box. There are books in there. Here, I'll show you.
They're all Thomas books.
4 Thomas books.
Yeah, Grandpa sent you all these special presents. What do you think?
Yeah. All right, Leo, can you look over there and say thank you, Grandpa? Look right here.
The
Say
camera.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Can you say thank you, Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Say ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, too.
Can you look up here at the camera? Smile.
Bye.
All right.